Hello, good morning student, myself Jyoti Saroj. So today we are going to start with a new and interesting topic, simple machine. So let's get started. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about machines, two types, simple and complex machine. Then simple machines deals with inclined plane, screw, wedges, lever, pulley, wheel and axle, and then lever again has three types: lever of the first order, lever of the second order, and the lever of the third order, and the last, maintenance of the machine. So student, what is the objectives of this module? Understand the importance of machine in day-to-day life. Explain the difference between simple machine and complex machine. Identify and explain the function of 6 simple machines, giving examples of various simple machines that they see in their surrounding. Create a model displaying how simple machines make work seem easier. Now, what is machines? Devices which are used to get more work done in less time and less effort are called machines. Now, there are two types of machine, simple machine and complex machine. Now student, as you can see, the nail cutter, the bottle opener, the wheel used to push the load shown in the picture are all machines. They have only one or two parts and a simple and easy structure. Such machines are called simple machine. Simple machines can be handled easily and there are less chances of these machines breaking down or getting damaged. We use many such machines in our day-to-day life. As I told you, machines which have one or two parts and a simple and easy structure are called simple machine. Now, complex machine. These machines have many parts which carry out many processes for completing a task. As you can see here, a mixture grinder. For this purpose, the parts are joined to one another. Therefore, these machines are called complex machines. As you can see, this car, this is also having a complex machine because many parts are joined to complete one task. This is also a complex machine because it has screw, pulley, lever, wheel and axle. So student, as I told you, many parts to carry out many processes for completing a task are called complex machine. As you can see, this up and down, right, this is also a simple machine. Simple machine, for example, lever, plane, screw, pulley, wheel and axle, all are simple machine. Let us learn about some simple machines. An inclined plane. It is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. We can push, pull or carry loads through the slant plane surface instead of lifting them to the top. As you can see here, inclined plane. This is man is carrying that heavy load with the help of this inclined plane. Student, consider one activity. There's a Ravi, Hamid and Rahi. They are in Ravi, he is taking a stone and shifting into the truck with the help of that plane. Okay, Hamid is also doing the same but change the angle. And the Rahi, she is not doing anything. So, who would find the drum heaviest to load? Yes, Rahi, because she is not doing anything. Okay. Now, among Ravi and Hamid, who would find it the lightest? So, yes, Ravi, because lesser is the angle of inclination, lesser is the weight we bear. Such an inclined plane is longer. Examples of inclined plane, as you can see this drive-in ramps, it's taking into the truck for loading. So here it is, this plane is called inclined plane. Here also inclined plane is used, wheelchair ramp, as you can see here, from one to another transport. इसके वजह से क्या होता है स्टूडेंट, वेट कम लगता है और इजीली चल जाता है. This is also an example of inclined plane. As you can see, this temple is far up the mountain. So here also inclined plane is used. Now next machine is screw. A screw is a cylinder with the head at one end and a pointed tip at the other end. Student, the thread on a screw are made in the same way. That is why when a screw is fitted in wood, it goes in as if it is going down an inclined plane. Therefore, less force is required to fit a screw than to hammer a nail. In other words, a screw is like a rolled up inclined plane made up of an iron strip. A winding road or ghat that goes up a mountain is also like an inclined plane wrapped around the mountain. It helps big vehicle to climb up and down the mountain easily. Let us try an activity. Cut a triangular piece of paper ABC. Draw a red line along the edge AC. Roll this paper around a pencil as shown in the picture. What do you see? The inclined side AC of the triangle descend gradually from A to C. Screw as an inclined angle plane. Example of screw. The screw is an inclined plane wound around a central cylinder. This is cylinder, this is inclined plane, this is screw, thread, jar lid and drill bit. Bolt, drill bit, bulb, bottle top, screw, guitar tuner. This is Archimedes screw, which is used in the Archimedes principle. In the past, the Greek scientist Archimedes invented the machine shown in this picture. That is why it is called the Archimedes screw. It was used to lift water from the hold of a ship. Archimedes used a round pipe fitted with a rod inside it. The pipe was placed at an angle of 45 degrees with one end inside the water and the rod resting on a flat surface. When the rod was turned, water got lifted in this device. A winding road or ghat that goes up a mountain is also like an inclined plane wrapped around the mountain. It helps big vehicle to climb up and down the mountain easily. Let us summarize this. Machine is a device that is used to do more work in less time and less effort. Some machines are simple while others are complex. The inclined plane, the wedge, the lever, the pulley and the wheel and the axle are simple machines. We can push, pull or carry loads through the slant inclined plane surface instead of lifting them to the top. A screw is a special kind of inclined plane. Student, identify this. Is this a simple machine or a complex machine, this bottle opener? This is simple or a complex machine? This is simple or a complex machine? Student, true or false? Inclined plane is used in slide. True or false? Student, homework. Observe your surrounding and write at least 5 examples of each. Inclined plane type and screw type simple machines. Student, today we will stop here. In the next lecture, we'll continue with the further topic of this chapter. Till then, student, take care. Thank you.